Hello students, hope you all are good. So today we are going to study about the rest of the planets. Okay, so in the earlier part of the video we have studied about the first three planets closest to the sun. So today we are going to study about the rest of the planets. So as you can see in the diagram of the solar system, okay, the first planet is Mercury, second is Venus, third planet is Earth, and fourth planet is Mars. So today we are going to study about the Mars, Jupiter and other planets. So Mars is the fourth closest planet to the sun and Jupiter is the fifth planet. Now between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter, there are some tiny bodies also moves around the sun. Okay, and these tiny bodies which moves around the sun between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter are called asteroids. As you can see, this is the asteroid belt. Okay, so this is the asteroid belt, and in between this asteroid belts, asteroids are found. So asteroids also moves around the sun between the Mars and Jupiter. Now, like asteroids, there are other bodies also which moves around the sun. They are called as meteoroids. Now what are the meteoroids? Now some rocks are also moves around the sun. These rocks like structure are called meteoroids. So I'm going to show you the picture of meteoroid. As you can see, this is given in your book. This is the asteroid. Okay, you can see this is the picture of asteroid. All right. And meteoroids are the small pieces of rocks which moves around the sun. Okay, now what happened, sometimes these meteoroids comes near to the earth and they tend to drop upon it. Okay, तो ये meteoroids क्या होते हैं, ये sometimes earth के पास आते हैं और they are very hot, heated up. Okay, so when they falls on the earth, they creates a friction. Okay, a friction means क्योंकि ये बहुत गर्म होते हैं तो ये जब अर्थ के पास आते हैं तो समटाइम्स क्या होता है, अर्थ के ऊपर ड्रॉप हो जाते हैं, मीन्स गिर जाते हैं. तो ड्रॉप हो जाते हैं एंड ड्यू टू द फ्रिक्शन ऑफ एयर एंड द हीट दे हैव एक फ्लैश लाइट होती है. इट हैपन दे जनरेट्स अ फ्लैश लाइट एंड अ लाइट. ओके, और समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि ज़्यादा गर्म नहीं होते, दे आर नॉट बर्नट अप, दे कम्स नियर द अर्थ एंड दे फॉल्स ऑन द अर्थ एंड दे क्रिएट्स अ हॉलो लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, हॉलो मीन्स गड्ढा टाइप का एक हॉलो क्रिएट कर देते हैं हमारे अर्थ पे, और उसको समटाइम्स साइंटिस्ट आर ऑल्सो they studied about this. So they have now discovered that these hollow has been created because of the meteoroids falls on the earth. All right, so moving forward, we have other planets also like Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, so and ninth is the Pluto, which is now called as the dwarf planet. So I'm going to show you the picture of the notes which I have prepared for you guys. So Pluto is now considered as a dwarf planet. Dwarf means very small in size. Now according to the recent studies in 2006 in the meeting of International Astronomical Union, in the meeting of International Astronomical Union, it has been now discovered that Pluto is now considered as a dwarf planet because it is very small in size, so it is barely visible. So it is now considered as a dwarf planet. Alright, so this is all about today, and we have covered the planets, all 8 planets, and in the coming session we will study about the universe and the diagram of the universe. Okay, thank you.